Tired of manually converting currency and watching exchange rates slip away? You check the markets, you see a good rate, and by the time you actually do the conversion, it's gone. Or worse, you end up paying extra fees because you converted in a rush. Let me show you how to set up auto conversion in Wise so you can lock in your target rate and let the system do the work for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps: accessing payments, finding auto conversions, and setting your first rule. Let's start. All right, so start by logging into your Wise account. I'm assuming you already have one set up, but if not, that's the first step. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the Payments section. This is where all your money movement happens, whether you're sending money to someone, receiving it, or managing how your funds get converted between currencies. It's usually pretty easy to spot in the main navigation menu, right near the top or the left side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click that. Now, from the Payments menu, you're going to locate the Auto Conversions option. This might not be the first thing you notice, so take a quick look. It's often listed under a subheading like Recurring or More Options. And here's the thing, this feature is a huge time saver. Instead of logging in every time the market moves, you're telling Wise exactly what rate you want and saying, "Let me know when that happens." So once you find it, click on Auto Conversions. Now, we're going to create a new conversion rule. Look for a button that says New Conversion. It's usually a clear, clickable button, not buried in a menu. Click that. This opens up the setup screen where you'll define the specifics. Now, pay attention to this one. This is where you tell Wise what you want to convert, from which currency to which currency, and most importantly, the exchange rate you're aiming for. You can set it to a specific rate or sometimes to a percentage above the current market rate. It gives you a lot of control. And here's the step that many people skip. Before you can set that rule and have it fire, you need to have funds available in the source currency. You can't set a rule to buy dollars if you have no pounds in your account to convert. So here's how to cash in. Go to your balances or your home screen and find the currency you need to add money to. Then click the Add or Top Up button. You'll be asked to transfer money from your bank account to your Wise account. This might take a day or two, depending on your bank and the currency, so plan ahead. I've tested this process plenty of times, and a common pitfall is setting a perfect rule but having no money behind it when the market hits your rate. Once the funds are in your Wise balance, you're good to go. Then you can head back to that Auto Conversions page, fill in the rest of your rule, and activate it. So now that you've got funds in the account and your rule is set, you can sit back. Wise will monitor the market for you, and the moment your target rate becomes available, it will execute the conversion automatically. No more watching charts or checking your phone at 3 a.m. That's it. You've taken a task that used to require constant attention and made it completely hands-off. Go ahead and give it a try. You'll be surprised how much easier managing your money becomes.